Good afternoon to you, Torrentians, and a very warm welcome to you and all the esteemed guests who have joined us today for the second edition of the prestigious Directors Award. I am Dhwani Mittal, and it is indeed a pleasure for me to host you today at this beautiful venue of Taj Lands End. And I am sure together we will have a captivating day ahead and will definitely take home many memorable moments to cherish. But before that, I would definitely like to thank all of you here for taking your time out and being here today on time in spite of heavy Mumbai rains. For that, I really need you all to clap for yourself. It's not easy. Anything can happen, but being on time in spite of the rains is a really big deal here. Thank you so much for that. Well, friends, as you all are aware, we are here to celebrate and acknowledge the best amongst the best. But before we proceed with the day, I request you all to kindly place your phones on the silent mode. Also, during my pre-event interactions, I came to know that this year marks the birth centenary celebration of late Shri U.N. Mehta, the founder of into a legacy crafted by the visionary founder who envisioned a world-class organization. Dedicated is also revered as an empathetic leader, fair to all and transparent in business. His unwavering integrity, participative decision-making, and concern for his people became the cornerstone of his commitment while conducting the business. These qualities are now the guide that all of you here are the brains behind the therapies. You are the ones who create successful brand and have rightly claimed. Can we have a big hand for all of you? Because without you, I'm sure the brands wouldn't have been where they are today. So you definitely are the great. Mr. Shikhar, for your valuable insights. Everybody, please put your hands together, loud and clear. Well, it has certainly enlightened us with more details about the Directors Award, and especially the new categories that have been added this year. And I am sure the brand assets will keep growing in time. Very interesting session. Well, I'm sure the audience must have gained a lot from this chat. The marketing mantras that you shared will certainly help them in making their brands a huge success. May I now request Mr. Sean Mehta being here with us today and sharing his insightful thoughts and experiences. Thank you so much. Let's have a big hand once again here, ladies and gentlemen. And, okay, let's begin. One. Together, this is one big family right now. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now, don't stop or not, I too am super excited for the awards ceremony, as you all are. So friends, it always feels encouraging and motivating when you are recognized for your hard work and dedication, and that's exactly what we're about to do now here. All right, so who do you think, I'm not going to talk about the categories right now, but who do you think will be the winners? Which brand do you think or which company can be the winner? Any idea in any category? Just randomly I'm asking you. A little competition between my left side and my right side. You all are very quiet, all right? So this is the Lakshman Rekha, left side, right side. Only my friends on the right at the count of 3, shout, yell, make some noise, clap your hands. Let's see kisme kitna hai dam, all right? Ready? So 3, 2, 1, come on! Nice. Okay, now let's see the energy levels. You have to do much better than that side, all right? Ready? So 3, 2, 1, come on! Is the hotel serving you some different food? Because the energies here are super high. You want to try one more time? You want to try? Okay, so 3, 2, 1, come on! Fantastic. Come on, this is the awards moment. Everyone has to clap. Clap louder, harder. So let us begin with the first category of the award. Crore value. Wow, it's getting more and more interesting. So the first award under the mega brands in the rupees 50 to 100 crore category goes to any names in the mind. We have now come to 50 to 100 crores. Anyone? Any name benefits to club? If you actually Google right now, you will realize lot of benefits. How many times during a day or during a month do you get to club? Not much, right? This is the day. It has benefits, and of course, your clubs create the magic. You wouldn't understand if you were here, you would know. So will we have award announcements to recognize winners of two new categories, namely the support department and the support division. These functions support the performance of India business and augment the efforts of sales and marketing team. First, in the category of support functions this year, congratulations to you once again, Altaf. Well, the next category of award is for support division, who have also played a crucial role in the growth of India business. They have been an important support to the India business. Their primary responsibility is to ensure the product's availability at corporate hospitals. Many congratulations. Be proud of yourself. You have done it. That feeling. You know, it's very easy to collect the award, but the entire year you have no idea how hard you all work. If you sit back and reflect of all those moments, the difficult moments that you've been through, that you've overcome all those difficult parts, I think you do deserve. And I think we all deserve to clap for the winners. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for yourself. Give it up for everyone. Give it up for your spirit. It has not been an easy market, as you all know, but still, you have done it. All right, friends, now hold your breath as we move on to the last and the final category, and that is the division of the year. Under this category, we have two awards, the Emerging Division and the Mega Division. The Best Emerging Division of the Year goes to which team? Let me know. Don't show the winner. Wait. Have you already? Okay, now what we want is quickly, because this is a momentous day, we do not want to forget this moment. So please, all the winners, kindly join us on the stage for a group photograph. All the winners, come on, quickly on the stage. All the winners. Fantastic. Great work done by all of you. Today, definitely another historic day for Torrent, where the builders of the business have been felicitated for their efforts. And on behalf of all of us here, wishing you all the very best and looking forward to a successful, inspiring year. We are not done yet.